In this video, I will show you how to fix Dragon Ball Sparking Zero no audio issue. First, ensure that your headset or speakers are properly working. Right-click on the audio icon in your taskbar. Click on Open Settings. Under Output, select the correct device like speakers, headset, or HDMI audio. Check the volume bar. If it moves when sound plays, your device is working. If it doesn't help, the next step is to check in game sound settings. Open Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, go to Option, then Sound. Make sure the game audio is not muted. Increase all volume settings to max and check if the sound works. If it also doesn't help, then the next step is to check Windows Volume Mixer. Right-click the audio icon in the taskbar, click on Volume Mixer, locate Dragon Ball Sparking Zero in the list. Ensure the game is not muted and increase the volume slider. If it also doesn't help, the next step is to update your system. Click on the Windows search bar and type System Update. Click on Check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. That's it. These steps should fix the no audio issue in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.